Vance from El Campo has a question about AC performance.
Well, he had it installed in 2005 and with R6 flex duct.
Okay.
Vance writes, I get my yearly maintenance. It's a 2.5-ton unit covering 1,200 square feet. No fresh air returns, though. One 2x2 return air in the center of the home. I have ridge vents and soffit vents, and I replace my air filters every month. But over the past week, it has not cooled below 82 degrees inside and feels clammy when the outside temperature is at like 93 degrees. He's got 82 on his humidity thingy.
Whoa.
Yeah, exactly. So Vance wonders, could this mean that his AC is ending the near-death stage of its performance?
No, not at all. What this means is he needs to have that yearly checkup.
Yeah,
he needs to have Absolute Comfort Air come out.
Right.
They need to tweak it. If it's running, it's fine. Even if it has a little leak, you can fix it. If you need a new capacitor, you get a new capacitor. If you need a new contactor, you get a new contactor. It's like your car. You don't say, it's making a rattle noise. I need a new car. But you need to maintain it and you need to fix it. What's wrong with it right now? I don't know. 82 humidity, way off the chart. I think it's an airflow problem. 2x2 with a unit like that is not big enough to move enough air through.
It's just sipping air through a straw.
Yeah, so I just suspect that, but I don't know the whole picture. This is when you get the expert out to fix it. Don't sit there and think you have to replace it. And here's what I don't want them to do is thinking he has to replace it, they come out and they want to charge him $8,000, not any contractor out there, because they're seeing a sucker who's going to get a new unit and you don't need it. You just need to fix the one you have.
Now, devil's advocate with you.
Go right ahead.
2005, chances are that could have been an R22 unit.
Yeah, could be an R22 unit, and you still buy R22.
Right. But if he's got a coolant leak,
fix it.
You can fix a coolant leak in
Except
R22.
in an evaporator coil.
Okay.
But you can also buy an evaporator coil to replace and then just charge with a pound or two of R22.
I'm asking these questions because these are the kind of questions
I'm glad you're asking.
They're going to trip you up with a contractor. They're going to say, oh, it's an old R22 unit. You need to change that out.
Well, and what the big sell point is they'll say, you know what? It's over 10 years old. Let me put a new unit in and you get the big warranty. You get all this, you get all that. A brand new unit usually doesn't break down, so the warranty really doesn't mean that much. And you can get a new unit. I have no problem with people getting new units. But the fact of the matter is, just fix it. I think. R22 or whatever.
But what you need is somebody you can trust who wants to.
Well, I mentioned Absolute Comfort Air twice or three times.
Well, okay, that's 4 or 5 right there. Okay,
there you go.
Let me just check that off. Done.
Yeah.
Okay, that's the point, though, that we want a contractor, who specializes in keeping old systems going.
Okay, and I'm just going to plug everything that we do here. Certified Home Show Pros with us.
Right.
They have a lot of lists out there that are nationwide. They have all this stuff, and you're the marketing guy. You know what this is.
You got Angry's List and all that.
Yeah, but here in Houston, I vet everybody. We vet everybody. Tim's part of it. Chris over here really isn't, but we like to include him anyway. But we really have good people.
And by vet, we mean the front engine one, not the sissy mid-engine vet.
Front engine one, good. Yeah, well, the bug is gone. The Beetle is gone.
The Beetle's gone last
and that's the back engine one.
We've segued to car talk now, guys.
Yes, okay.
Yeah, but because the spy pictures are starting to show up of the mid-engine Corvette now.
Ooh,
and it's like, no.
Remember the Corvair?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, good.
That was a great car.
Yeah, until it broke in half.
It didn't break in half.
Well, that's what was his name?
No, Ralph Nader.
Nader.
Ralph Nader
said it would break in half.
Unsafe at any speed, and he was wrong. And they fixed the things that were wrong with it, but Ralph Nader
it was a
killed
cool
it.
little car.
It was like the Pinto got a bad name.
Ooh.
Well, just because the gas tank exploded.
Yeah, exploded.
In the back. It's like, come on, get out.
152.
All right, you got a question? Get in. Send us your questions. Here's a segue. Send us your questions. Visit HomeShowRadio.com. Click on the Ask Tom form. Send it.
We could say this is a whole car wreck right now.
We could, but just fill out the form. We'll post your answer just like these videos. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell, and we'll ring yours when we post a new one.
Okay, fine. You'll have to deal with that one, huh?
I like it.
I like it. Okay.